Drink the water, little seeds. Grow big and strong sunflowers. These sunflowers are going to grow tall, and you'll get seeds soon.
These little friends need support to become giants.
Time to grow big and strong, my beautiful sunflowers.
Look at you growing so fast. Soon, you'll be taller than me.
Grow, my little sunflowers, grow big and strong for me. You'll be golden giants towering high.
Grow tall, little ones. The sun is ready to shine on you. I knew you would bloom beautifully. We have to trim the yellow leaves, little birds. Healthy leaves help our sunflowers grow big and strong. You'll have plenty of seeds soon.
Look at my scarecrow, standing so tall, keeping the garden safe for all. Don't worry, birds.
Don't worry, friends. When these sunflowers bloom, we'll have yummy seeds to eat together.
Soon, you'll open and shine like tiny suns for everyone to see. I'm patting the soil so the roots can grow deep. Soon these flowers will bloom bright yellow.
These sunflowers need a little extra help to grow taller and stronger. I love my garden, watch it grow. Water the seeds and soon they will glow.
Keep growing, my friends. You're becoming magnificent giants already.
There you go, all safe now. Grow big and strong, little sunflowers, and soon you will bloom.
You are growing so beautifully. Soon you'll bloom and feed all our... Let's water the plants, watch them grow tall. Happy sunflowers for one and all.
There you go, little sunflower. A little food and you'll grow big and strong for the birds.
I can't believe how tall these sunflowers are. They grew so much in just a few weeks. I love my garden, helping my sunflowers grow every day. You're almost ready to show your golden faces to the world. The little birds are chirping, the sun is shining bright. We water all the sunflowers in the warm sunlight. What a wonderful harvest! I can't wait to share these yummy seeds with my friends. These are for you, my friends. I'm spreading the seeds in the sun today. The little birds will eat them, hooray! Sharing our seeds with the birds, hip, hip, hooray! It's a happy sunny day on the farm today. We gathered all the seeds, hooray! Now we have snacks for a sunny day. Planting seeds in the sun, watch the little birdies run. Sharing makes the garden grow. sunflowers tall and bright. The birds and I will share this delightful sight. Harvest time is so much fun, gathering seeds, every single one. We fill the jars.
You'll have plenty of seeds for breakfast tomorrow.
Planting seeds so they can grow. Watch the happy sunflowers go. Dig a hole and drop, drink up, little seeds. Grow big and tall for the sun. I'll take good